Okay. How are you, student? See, welcome back. Once we have to study the properties of mixtures. See, number of mixtures is there in our. See, this is a mixture. Say different types of mixture we have to learn in this session. See what said here, iron and sulfur. Iron, sulfur. We have to take the fillings in a watch glass. See, this is a watch glass is there. See, in this watch glass we have to take the, see, these are a iron fillings. See, these are a iron fillings. And we have to mix the, what is, sulfur powder. Sulfur powder also is there. See, these are red is there, sulfur. Sulfur. See, we have to see the, see, when iron fillings and sulfur powder are mixed together, mixing together here, and see, it will form the yellowish green mixture of the obtained. See which one? Yellowish and green as a mixture, grayish yellow mixture is obtained. Okay, what will happen now? See, this iron fillings and attract. See, we have to see the, this is a mixture. See, totally completely mixture. If you bring the magnet towards, see, if you bring the magnet here, okay, this line, see, this is a magnet. Okay, see, this is a magnet, north and south pole. Okay, see, this is a magnet. If you bring the magnet, see, towards this iron fillings, the mixture of iron and sulfur, what will happen? The iron granules, the clinging, see, this like jumping and attracting towards the magnet, see, this one, magnet, see, this one is a iron fillings, see, we have to see the, these are a separation of magnetic separation. We are calling the, this is a magnetic separation. But we have to see the sulfur. See, is there sulfur, this one? Sulfur doesn't attract towards the magnet. See, we can separate using of these physical methods. See, which physical methods? First point, it is a separation of iron fillings and sulfur powder, see, sulfur powder, iron fillings attract towards magnet, but sulfur powder does not attract towards magnet. Say, towards the magnet. Is it clear? See, here we have to see the, this iron and this is sulfur, we can separate using of magnet. See, we are calling the magnetic separation. This is a physical methods. Next we have to see the, we have to use the iron fillings plus sulfur in the presence of, we have to see the second. See, this is the iron is there, iron fillings plus sulfur powder, iron fillings and sulfur powder is there. See, in the presence of, so organic solvent like, what is solvent like carbon disulfide, CH2, carbon disulfide, see CH2. Next we have to see the, then the sulfur is dissolved, and see we have to see the iron doesn't, see here in the carbon disulfide sulfur is dissolved, sulfur is dissolved, but iron fillings doesn't dissolve, but iron fillings doesn't dissolve. Okay, iron fillings doesn't dissolve. See, this is also filtration process. We will get sulfur plus iron is a self separate. See, this is also physical method. See, first one is a magnetic separation. This one is a filtration process. We can separate the sulfur plus iron. See, is it clear? Next we have to see the here, we conclude that the mixture can be separated into, and it's constituted by physical process like filtration, evaporation, sublimation, distillation, solvent, magnetic separation. See, we have to separate. Next, see what said next, sulfur, ferrous, iron fillings plus sulfur, and see we have to take the iron fillings plus sulfur, and see we have to write the iron sulfide, and see it is a pour into the sulfuric acid. What will happen here? Here is ferrous react with the sulfuric acid, and here is a forming the ferrous sulfate. Ferrous sulfate is a forming, and here is a hydrogen gas is a liberating. Next we have to see the sulfur remains, see unchanged. See यहाँ पर सल्फर कोई चेंज नहीं होता है. See ये जो कंपाउंड है, ये जो मिक्सचर्स है, इसमें सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड में डालना है. See this sulfuric acid, it will form the ferrous sulfate plus hydrogen gases is a liberating, and here is a sulfur is a remains unchanged. Sulfur is remain unchanged. See कोई चेंज नहीं होता है सल्फर का. See when we ferrous fillings is a mixed with sulfur powder to prepare the mixture and heat in the mixture and evolved nor absorbed Say, see there is no evolving, not absorbing. In general, say energy in the form of heat, light. Say it is a usually given and out nor absorbed in the preparation of mixture. So the formation of mixture is a physical process and change ferrous plus sulfur having the different constituent. We have to see the this sulfur and ferrous. C has a different constituent and we have to see the composition also, different compositions, and see variable composition, no definite value can be given mixture ferrous fillings, iron fillings plus sulfur. A mixture doesn't have a definite formula. See, this mixture has a definite formula? No. See, different see constituent is present. Next we have to see the mixtures. Next, mixtures of the see fillings and sulfur does not melt at a single fixed temperature. See this one mixtures. Say does not melt. Does not melt at fixed temperature. Okay, does not melt. Next we have to see the see from this we conclude that the mixture doesn't have a see definite melting and boiling point. See doesn't have it doesn't have fixed melting point and boiling point. Melting point and boiling point. Next we have to see the here see ferrous particles, there are more of iron particles, and when the it is a size of the particles. Next, ferrous plus sulfur, not homogeneous mixtures. Ferrous plus sulfur is a homogeneous mixture? No, it doesn't have homogeneous mixture. Homogeneous mixture it doesn't have. Next we have to see the so many heterogeneous mixtures is there. See mixtures of solutions also heterogeneous mixtures. Mixture of solution. See this is also solutions, homogeneous, heterogeneous mixtures. See this like number of see homogeneous, see we are calling the heterogeneous mixtures. Alloy also it is a heterogeneous mixtures. Okay. Next. Next compounds. What is compounds? A compound is a substance made up of two or more elements chemically combined of fixed proportions by mass. A compound is a substance made up of two or more see elements chemically combined say combined in a fixed proportion. In a fixed proportion by mass. By mass. We have to take the here example. Say example, we have to take the water. Water. See, this is a water. See, we have to write the H2O. See, formula water is a H2O. Next, we have to see the chemically combined in fixed proportion is a of 1.8. 1.8. See, hydrogen is a H2O. We have to write this like H216. Okay. Otherwise, we have to write the 1 see 2 8 see 1:8 we have to write. See, this is a water proportions. Water proportions. See, atomic masses of hydrogen and hydrogen plus oxygen. For example, we have to see the H2O. Hydrogen is a 2 unit is there. And we have to see the oxygen is a 16U. See, we have to learn detail about this one. Detail about this one, H2O. See, H means this like 2 hydrogen is there. See, this like proportions is there. Next, we have to see the number of compounds is there. See, number of, similarly, sodium chloride is there. See, H2SO4 is there. HNO3 is there. And Na2CO3 is there. NaHCO3 is there. See, this like all compounds we have to learn. Say, calcium hydroxide is there. Say, magnesium hydroxide is there. Okay. Number of acid, base, neutral, we have to learn. Compounds can be classified into the three classes is there. One is a acid, base and salt. We have to learn detail in next session. See,